Be a pure vegetarian and get the blessing of your own religion. Why should human beings become vegetarians? All the religions in the world have preached that killing man or animals is a sin. All the creatures love their life as well as humans. But for food purpose, people kill innocent animals thousands in numbers all over the world daily. But as intellectuals, we must think of this matter and react according to the religions. We all must be against the killing animals for any purpose. We must love creatures. It is the teaching of the Lord Buddha, Jesus Christ, God Allah, God of Ganapati, Krishna, Shiva, Vishnu, and gods of Bhadrakali, Saraswati, and Durga Mother. Therefore, we must pay our attention to discourage killing animals. How we encourage killing when eating animal food? Because of meat lovers, butchers kill animals and the meat sellers sell their meat. The butchers and the fisherman is the first man of that link. But so many groups help this killing process. The butchers or fishermen transport us. Killing process help us. The meat stall, fish stall owners. And finally the customer helps to complete this harmful process. All these people helps encouraging this slaughtering. By helping meat lover does not directly kill an animals. He is including in the killing process indirectly. Therefore, the meat lover customer is the final partner of this killing animals long process. Did all the religious leaders restrict killing lives? Yes, in all the religions, killing is prohibited. In Buddhism, the 5 precepts are the basic foundation of Buddhist philosophy. The first condition of that is avoiding killing lives. In Christianity, in the Old Testament of the Holy Bible, it is said, "Thou shalt not kill." But Christians have changed this matter into the New Testament as "Thou shalt not murder." In Hinduism, gods love vegetarians because they love animals. They pray mercy towards animals and they consider the animals as their symbols. In the Islamic religion also, they strictly prohibited killing animals. But at present they do harm and killing animals without considering their religion. According to this information, we must stop eating meat or fish for animals to encourage killing animals. How people kill animals for eating purpose. Human beings are very cruel in this sense because they keep these slaughtering animals without food or water for several days. When the animals are physically weak, they really beat them, tie their legs and mouth and harm very cruel way. These fed up bulls, cows, goats and pigs are very helpless. They are very weak. Sometimes they show their physical and mental suffering through their eyes. They cry, but slaughters do not see or hear them. They kill them for sake of meat lovers without any kindness or mercy. Therefore, we beg from the watchers of this video not to kill or eat animals' flesh. Please respect each living being in the universe. Why do people eat animal flesh? I think mainly people have 2 reasons for eating meat: fish or eggs. One is for health purpose. Another is people love the taste of such food, but the meat lovers are in an illusion because these two matters are irritational. I can prove that all the vegetable foods items have the sufficient nutrients. Here I can present you the figures shown by a Sri Lanka Medical Research Center. It shows the content of the nutritional percentage of each 100 grams of several food items. Carbohydrates is given to human body totally from rice, yams, potatoes and all kind of flours. All the fruits and vegetables have sufficient vitamins, especially yellow and green color fruits and vegetables. We can get fat for the body from all types of butter, coconut oil and cooking oil. Above figure show that anybody can get a nutritious balanced diet with vegetarian meals. Therefore, if you want to be healthy, smart, long life, you must have vegetarian food. Why do doctors say that non-vegetarians are the main victims of diabetes, overweight, blood pressure, high cholesterol, cancer, kidney problems, gastritis and liver problems? It's proved by the medical researchers of America 100% of the meat lovers are victims of above mentioned type of diseases and early deaths. But vegetarians are very healthy and they spend a long life. The reason for this is meat lovers food consumptions contain unnecessary protein and fat for the body. Especially red meat contain high percentage of fat and protein level. Then that quantity leads a human body overweight and above mentioned disorders. In Sri Lanka, most specialized cardiologists have proved this situation. So if we want to be very healthy, we must be a vegetarian. How many animals are killed for food purpose daily? In the Colombo city itself, for their consumption, 200 cows or bulls, 150 goats, 10,000 cocks, and 1,000 of fish killed daily. This is a great crime because every living creatures love one's own life, no matter man or animal. Now I think you can imagine the number of animals killed island-wide daily. Do vegetarian food lose physical strength? No, not at all. The most strength, fastest and heavy loads carrying horse, elephants, camels and bulls are vegetarians. Most of the cleverest sportsmen and women in the world are vegetarians. Do vegetarians lose humans their wisdom? No, not at all. The great religious leaders in the universe like Lord Buddha, Jesus Christ were vegetarians, and also some great personalities like Plato, Hippocrates, Albert Einstein, Picasso, poets like John Milton and Bernard Shaw, Mahatma Gandhi, Anagarika Dharmapala, E.W. Adhikaram are some of the recognized personalities who have served the world. Were vegetarians, so we can come to a conclusion that a vegetarian has high wisdom and intellectual level. How to become a real religious person? If you want to become a real religious person, you must be a fully vegetarian because the animals are a part of nature. Destroying nature, especially killing and slaughtering lives, is rejected by every religion. Therefore, if we encourage killing animals by eating them, it's going against the nature. It is a sin. As I believe all religious spirits do not protect such people. If a harmless man is living in the human world, the natural spirits of the universe protect that person. Why should Buddhists become vegetarians? According to the 5 precepts of Buddhism, if we eat animals' flesh, we help killing animals. By encouraging killing, we cannot protect Panatipata, the first precept. And also, if we are eager to fulfill or satisfy our eyes, nose, ear, mouth, body and minute too much, that is Kamacchanda Nivarana. If we buy meat or fish, we help the butchers or fish seller to maintain his business further. That is helping Mithya Ajiva. There we help a wrong profession or job to earn money. Next thing is the thoughts completes the action in Buddhism. A good deed or wrong deed is decided by his thought. When we eat meat or fish, we remind how these innocent animals die with the suffering and unbearable pain. If people eat dead bodies, these sins would not occur. Next, the Lord Buddha has preached we die and reborn as a new creature in the 3 types of world: Brahma Deva, human worlds, and invisible ghosts, Bhuta and Preta souls. The animal belongs to the category of Dukati, who indulging in very wrong activities in early life. But those animals are also our parents or our relatives in early births. Anekajati Samsaram Gatha describes this. Therefore, if we eat animals' flesh, it is similar as we eat our relatives of our early births. Therefore, we must be very careful and attentive to protect the 5 precepts, and also we must do meditation and we must practice our life according to Arya Ashtanga Marga, the Noble Eight path of our life. Then a Buddhist can release and gain ultimate everlasting satisfaction of enlightenment Nibbana. Before concluding this video, I kindly request all the human beings, whatever the religions you observe, please become a vegetarian to be a complete balanced personality. Then the Triple Gem bless you. Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. The Jesus Christ may bless you. God Allah may bless you. God Shiva, Ganapati, Vishnu and other gods and gods may bless you equally. Though we have difference as religions, nation, race and as sex, all human beings are considered as equal by the universe. Protecting gods, they equally bless each man if a man can do the correct things. May all the beings free from suffering. Sabbe Satta Bhavantu Sukhitatta. May the Triple Gems bless you. May the Jesus Christ bless you. May gods, Ganapati, gods, Shiva and God Vishnu bless you.